isn't just another camper van, it's a bold statement that blends futuristic design, electrified performance, and luxurious comfort, creating a whole new category for a modern explorer. Whether you're planning a weekend road trip or a months-long journey across the country, this van promises to make every mile unforgettable. From the very first glance, the design of the 2026 BYD Camper Van leaves an impression of elegance and strength. The smooth, aerodynamic body is sculpted with clean lines and a bold front fascia, framed by BYD's signature LED light bar that stretches across the width of the van. Its imposing stance feels premium yet approachable, striking a balance between luxury and rugged practicality. The large panoramic windshield gives it a futuristic look, while the body's subtle curves make it glide gracefully even for such a large vehicle. Every design detail is functional yet stylish, from the flush door handles to the lightweight alloy wheels designed for stability and efficiency. But the real magic starts when you step inside. Imagine a space that feels more like a luxury suite than a camper van. The interior is spacious, airy, and drenched in natural light thanks to the large windows and an optional panoramic glass roof. High-quality, sustainable materials cover every surface, giving the cabin a modern and eco-conscious vibe. Plush seating with memory foam cushioning, adjustable configurations, and even a reclining lounge mode ensure that comfort is never compromised. BYD has masterfully designed the cabin to feel both cozy for families and practical for adventurers, with cleverly hidden storage compartments and fold-out features that maximize space. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BYD Camper Van is powered by the brand's latest generation of electric drivetrain. At its core is BYD's revolutionary Blade battery, renowned for its efficiency, safety, and longevity. With an impressive range of over 400 miles on a single charge, this camper van ensures you can take on long journeys without the constant need to recharge. And when you do stop, ultra-fast charging technology gives you nearly 80% charge in under 30 minutes, making road trips seamless and stress-free. The dual-motor, all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and confidence, whether you're cruising down highways or tackling winding mountain roads. Handling a vehicle of this size could easily be intimidating, but BYD has taken care of that with intelligent engineering. Thanks to adaptive air suspension, the van glides smoothly over rough terrains while lowering itself for easier entry and exit when parked. Steering feels precise and responsive, giving drivers confidence even on narrow trails or in busy city traffic. Advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera, make maneuvering this large vehicle feel surprisingly effortless. It's like having an intelligent co-pilot always at your side. Of course, no BYD would be complete without cutting-edge technology, and this camper van is packed with innovations that make it truly special. A massive infotainment touchscreen dominates the dashboard, seamlessly connecting with your smartphone and providing access to navigation, entertainment, and real-time vehicle data. Voice control adds a futuristic touch, letting you adjust settings, check battery levels, or even control interior lighting without lifting a finger. And here's something adventurous travelers will love: the van is equipped with solar panel integration, giving you the ability to harness clean energy wherever you park. This means extended off-grid capabilities, making it a true companion for explorers who want to go beyond the limits. Kind of SUV that doesn't just fit into the crowd, it stands out, and it's proud of it. Step around to the rear, and the sporty styling continues with darkened taillamps, a hands-free power liftgate, and subtle RS badging that lets you know this is no ordinary Equinox. The body proportions strike that sweet spot, compact enough for city agility, yet substantial enough to give you that elevated SUV presence. And in true Chevrolet fashion, every panel feels well-crafted, every curve intentional, delivering a premium, well-balanced look from every angle. Under the hood, the 2025 Equinox RSA WD comes alive with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering a robust 237 horsepower and 258 lb-f of torque. Paired with a smooth shifting 9-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain offers quick, confident acceleration whether you're merging onto the freeway or overtaking slower traffic. The all-wheel drive system is tuned for year-round confidence, giving you exceptional grip in rain, snow, or gravel, perfect for those spontaneous weekend getaways. The handling is where the RS trim really shines. The suspension is sport-tuned for a more responsive, connected drive. Steering feels precise and weighted just right, giving you the control you want in tight turns and the stability you need on long highway cruises. It's the kind of SUV that inspires confidence behind the wheel, making daily commutes and road trips equally exciting. And thanks to the AWD system's ability to send power where it's needed most, you can take on winding roads and challenging weather without hesitation. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that perfectly blends sportiness with refinement. The RS treatment adds red stitching throughout, leather-appointed seating surfaces, and a flat-bottom steering wheel that feels great in your hands. The driver-focused layout puts everything right where you need it, from the intuitive climate controls to the high-resolution infotainment screen. It's spacious too, with comfortable seating for 5 and generous cargo space that makes it easy to haul luggage, groceries, or weekend gear. Technology takes center stage in the 2025 Equinox RSA WD. The latest Chevrolet Infotainment 3+ system comes with a crisp 11-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and built-in navigation. There's also a fully digital 11-inch driver information display, letting you customize what information you see, from navigation directions to performance data. And with a premium 7-speaker audio system from Bose, your favorite playlists, podcasts, and calls come through with crystal clear clarity.